Your t-shirt business is now accepting new orders from customers. Congrats on getting started, but I do have a question for you. How do you intend on delivering the finished product? In this video, I'm going to quickly cover the pros and cons of the two main delivery methods for small t-shirt businesses. The first and most popular option is shipping. This is usually done through the Postal Service, UPS, FedEx, or any of the other popular carriers. The pros are pretty significant. Shipping your items is great for expanding your customer base beyond your local area. By offering shipping, you'll be opening up your business across the country. Heck, you can even offer international shipping and truly make yourself a worldwide operation. By adding shipping, you're really adding more opportunity for sales. On the other hand, you will have to consider the extra costs for packaging materials and shipping fees. Thanks to big box companies like Amazon, a lot of consumers are going to be used to getting free shipping. Are you going to be absorbing the extra costs of shipping materials and fees? Or is it going to drive the price of your products higher? Are you going to pass that off to your customers? These are all decisions you need to make. And not only that, now you have to spend extra time packaging everything and taking it to the post office. Another potential issue with shipping is that you're not in control of the package once it leaves your hands. It can get lost or damaged in transit, which means more time spent dealing with customers who are waiting on their product. Now, I am not against shipping by any means. These are just some things that you're gonna wanna consider for your business. Now, let's talk about local pickup. This is where you allow your customers to come and grab their orders at your shop or home. The pros are that this is very convenient for your local customers because it's going to save them both time and money on shipping. Large orders can get pretty pricey to ship, especially for heavy items like hoodies and jackets. If you're used to absorbing some of the shipping costs, local pickup is better for your bottom line as well as theirs. Local shipping also eliminates any possibility of getting lost or damaged items in transit, and your customers don't have to worry about porch pirates either. So what are the cons to local pickup? First, you're eliminating any customers outside of a 5 to 30 minute drive of your shop, depending on where you live. I live in a very densely populated area, so that's actually not too big of an issue for me. Now, if you're in a small town, you might be missing out on some orders just outside of driving range. But I think the bigger con is that if you're a home business, you're gonna have to be okay with customers knowing where you live. It's probably not a big deal for friends and friends of friends, but I totally get it if you don't want strangers from the internet to have your home info. Now, if you don't want strangers coming to your house, you now have the added inconvenience of meeting up at a neutral location for the handoff. And if there's one thing I know about t-shirt customers, it's that they're never on time. Now, it doesn't matter if they're coming by the house or you're gonna go meet up outside of your local Starbucks, you're now taking valuable time out of your day to wait for the order to get picked up. Now, I don't believe that shipping and local pickup is an either or situation. In my experience, I've had success offering both. One thing you always wanna consider is whether or not it's worth your time. I don't want to wait around for 2 hours on a Friday night so someone can pick up one coffee mug that I'm only going to make $8 on. And on the flip side, with shipping, why would I spend $4 in packaging, $8 in postage to offer free shipping on a $15 item? It just doesn't make sense. So you always want to consider what's worth it for you and make sure your pricing is appropriate. If we're gonna be talking in generalities, shipping is usually the best choice to start with when you're running an online shop and selling your own clothing brand. Local pickup is great if you run a customization business that serves your local community. And if you're still not sure, ask your customers. Feel free to ask your customers for feedback on what delivery option would make them more likely to purchase from you. So what do you think? Does your business lean more towards shipping, pickup, or both? Let me know in the comments. And for more heat transfer content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell while you're at it. For all of your heat transfer equipment and supplies, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com.